Well, the bags are packed. And anybody think we're going to Sukhothai for like, you know, a week or something? We're only going for one night to bring in the new year. It's a camping trip, and she's all dressed up in white, and I'm dressed up in black. Darling, you ready, darling? Yeah. For the adventure? I still think it's amusing that, you know, like, you know, she just turned 40 or 41 or whatever age it is. And now she's camping, and I think it's about that time in my life, after, you know, certain things that had transpired, that I found a new love of camping in those days as well. It's really strange how it all repeats itself, you know, with the 23 years apart. Anyway, yeah, so the place we're going is not very far from here. It's about maybe sort of 30 minutes drive. There won't be any drive footage, it's getting late in the afternoon, but the girls are already out there already. And again, I don't know whether this is a Patreon video or going to be a weekly video or what. We'll see how it pans out. We'll see how we go, okay? So, darling, do we need a 4-wheel drive to go this camping?
Yeah.
Where we go? Straight?
Left.
Left, okay. Yeah. Dirt road everywhere. Left and more. 300 meters. 300 meter.
Yeah. Ooh, stood up.
Looks scary, darling. Oh, I see other cars up here. I think that's where we're going. We're going up here, are we? Okay. First impressions, it's just like the old days. Very good, darling. Oh, there's some of our friends over here. Where are we going? Where? Who's who? And it looks like we missed the sunset by about 15 minutes. Okay. Well, it's still setting, but yeah, you know, I mean, the whole sun thing disappearing over the horizon. But yeah, okay. Okay. What? Happy New Year, everything. Saudi P Makeup. Hello. Where are we going? Good, we got toilet facilities. That's always helpful at these campsites. Where we go? little doggies inside, yes. Where are we going? This way. So we're going to make camp just here next to all the other tents. Okay. Very good. I like coming camping with Thai people. I don't have to do anything. They're going to do it all. Looks like we got a few trips, so I'll not video that few trips backwards and forwards, okay? I must say, tents are getting a lot cleverer these days. Like, not like it was like 15, 20 years ago, really. Just fold out, why not? Which way's the front door? Oh, the door, I don't know. We'll work out where we're going next. Now, I don't know if anybody's planning to go swimming, but I do believe we're going to be doing some fishing a bit later on, so well, we'll have to see about that. But yes, nice little camping area. We are not far from our house, like it's about 30 minutes drive from where we are. Yeah, it's very much the sort of camping sort of style we used to do in the old days. Of course, when we did our camping, we didn't have a setup like this. This looks really good. Okay. The girls are ready to make salt. We got a blender for some drinks and everything. Very good. Very good, yes. Now I'm thinking this is going to be a good test to see how the mosquitoes behave. We've only got fly mesh between us and the mosquitoes and a swamp. The interesting thing that goes through my mind is the fact that, you know, they were camping here last night. They've been staying here for a couple of days. But Shanya's only elected to go for the New Year's Eve night. She was out here last night up until about 1 o'clock. She came home about 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, we could have been camping here last night. I don't know. Is she trying to accommodate for me? I don't mind camping one bit. What?
Bring this one.
I can bring this one. Yes. Good. Oh yeah, there will be a map pin for this location. Hopefully there'll be enough information about it if you really want to come out and do it yourself. But yeah, the camping.bar. There you go. Freedom, she says, freedom. I can go run now. What a cute dog. And it's almost like the sort of dog we had when I was a kid, like about 7 or 8 years old. Yes, camping would have been a lot easier with a bunch of ties. Sonia said, come and eat some noodles. So here's some noodles. So I'm going to eat some noodles. Oh, wait. I got bugs here. No. Where are we going? This way. Okay, wait.
ขอบคุณมากมีโบกับใหม่มาถึงจะหาแม่ก่อนครับขอบคุณครับ
วันนี้สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีปีใหม่
สวัสดีปีใหม่
Okay, everybody's cooking. Good.
ไก่ทอด
ไก่ทอด
Guy Todd?
ใช่ปะ
What the cup?
ปุ๊บอะไร
Do you know what you're doing? You have any idea what you're doing?
การสเก็ตเตอร์มาเดี๋ยวก็
I have to do it one hand because I got a camera. Very good. Okay. What?
มา
I'll leave it there. Well, I suppose we could call it like glamping a little bit. What do you think? We've got little lights and everything else. Looks very cute, darling. We don't have any sleeping bags, but we do have our doonas, which you wrap over double and sleep inside the middle, you know, which works for us. What? Oh, you want to put this up too? Okay. Okay.
No, like this. Wait me, you so quickly. Boy, so quickly.
Because I'm a gamer, darling. Everything quickly in the gaming world. I have to do everything quickly. So quickly.
Quickly so fast.
Very good. Looks wonderful, darling. I just knocked my head. I'm glad I've got a cap on. I could have taken a bit of a graze. Anyway, yeah, looks good. You happy now? You want to go eat some noodle, darling? So what do we got? 3/4 of the way to full moon. That's all right. But I wonder if we're going to see any stars. Oh, we got an aeroplane up there. You probably can't see it, but I can. Then again, I heard there's a lot of UFO sightings in Thailand, and you won't ever see them if you're out at night. So you never know. We could have a UFO sighting or swamp gas. No, darling, you cannot take him home. No, you cannot take home. The last one, all they do is shit out of the front lawn. Right? And the front lawn's not big enough to hide all the shit, okay? It just becomes another job for me and Mum because she's working. So, yeah, no thank you very much. Okay, darling, what did you bring today? Oh, I brought some beer, okay. What did you bring? What's this one? St. Helens, what, whiskey? And Kulov, I guess that's vodka. Okay, looks like whiskey, yes? What's whiskey, yeah? Whiskey, okay, yeah. Anyway, we are here with the crew. Oh, there's more Thai whiskey. Yeah. I'm going to be drinking that. And I've got some friends here already. We've been talking about Stussy, wetsuits and surfing and everything else. They wanted to know if I wanted to drink. I'm going, I don't drink much, but I got ganja in my pocket. They all brightened up. Well, there you go. Oh, that I could chew. Oh, that's the tone. I can't see. I'll get my glasses on. Did it my way. Oh, here we are. We are 10 minutes out from the actual big show in Sydney. Streaming it for the people here in Thailand. With some pop music in the background. Yes.
19, 18, 17.
What do we got? 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Happy New Year, Sydney!
Australia.
You can hear it in.
ออสเตรเลียเขายิ่งใหญ่จริงๆนะคะ ยิ่งใหญ่ ความอลังการของออสซี่เขานะ
We've even got sound, man.
Yeah, Australia now. Happy New Year.
There's one thing about Sydney, they really do a good show. Costs a fortune, but a little touch of Sydney. There you go. One thing they do really well is their fireworks. What you thinking?
This Thailand number 1.
No, this is Australia number 1.
Australia number 2.
No, Thailand number 2.
You move Thailand, just Thailand number 1.
No, Australia number 1. Thailand
You want to
number 2.
fighting with me?
Okay, now, okay. You have army?
You say me
Raise your arm.
first, Thailand
Raise your
number
arm.
1.
You don't have army.
Australia number 2 มันเป็นเขยไทยนะมันไม่ได้นะ
Anybody would
อย่า
think it
นะ
was
you want to
cold.
fighting me
Anybody would think it was cold, wouldn't you? Okay, what's going on over here? Come on, come on. คุณหมา
พัทยาอีก
หมาคุณหมา
No, not what she made something.
What she make?
I don't know.
Chicken chicken barbecue but ทอดแบบว่า
Yeah. Here's my gig. Hello, gig.
Hello
You're in the dark. People can't see you. You have to go in the sunlight. In the light. There we go. You still single?
Yes
Still single? Still single?
ฉันอยากมีผัว
Yes, she's single.
กล้อง
ยู
ไอ
ทูบ
จี
เบอร์เยอะแยะไปหมดจริงแต่
I don't care I don't care
You're all a bit crazy. All a bit mal. All a bit
ปา
mal.
กแย่ซีนมากเลยกูใช้กล้องติ๊กต็อกอีดอกแม่ไปปะ
Okay, enough of the ladyboy show. We're out of here now. We go back to the real party. So it looks like we do have a little secret Santa, New Year sort of gift-giving thing going on tonight. It's a draw the hat sort of thing. But I was just thinking out loud, like seriously, like do you ever go camping like this? Like this is camping Thai style. Well, is it camping style or is it just a unique thing that they're doing in this situation? I really don't know what's going on. I haven't quite worked out with the connection, like camping bar, okay, that's the property within, but the people with here look like the people who sort of own the place, and that's what's confusing. Do they, look, I'm not about to pry, but I do find myself in these sort of situations sometimes where I should ask some questions here, but they seem to be enjoying themselves, so why would I, what does it matter for me anyway? Anyway, but yeah, camping Thai style with little glowing lights everywhere, and I saw on the bottom of this one here it had fluoro lights on the bottom. Oh, this is charming sort of setup, isn't it? And of course Shania couldn't be outdone. She had to put sort of glowing lights all over ours as well. Should be fun night. We've still got a couple of hours to go, so we'll pick it up then. No sooner do I mention the Secret Santa gift thing and they start rolling it out.
ไป
Don't ask me how it works. I really just don't follow these things.
มาเดี๋ยวฉันแจกเดี๋ยวฉันยืนให้
I had trouble following the ones that were in English. The ones in Thai, I've got no clue. I'm sorry.
เล็กยาวสี่ไอ้มาสี่อันนี้นาฬิกา
แม่เปิดซองแล้วสแกน
สแกนเลยเนี่ย
ใช่ใช่
ผู้ชายให้กิ๊กนัมเบอร์วันแล้วอีดา
เธอให้ฉันค่ะเธอให้ฉัน
โน้ตถ่ายตรงโน้ต
QR code ค่ะ
ก็ว่ากันแหละอีดาก็ต้องรับสะพายเพิ่มแล้วล่ะช่วยกันทำมาหากิน
เป้
เดี๋ยวเอาที่
เป้
แม่
หยิบโทรศัพท์
บายบาเลน what number 3 smile Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
เขาต้องได้ของ
Somehow we
ของคิวของนู้น
got too many gifts and not enough people. How does that work out? I don't know. But I'm sure they'll work something out. I think somebody's a bit Mao. Mao Mai.
ไม่เมาแต่ไม่เหมือนเดิม To the left
แต่ก็รู้สึก
It's 2 minutes to go, and the fireworks. It's like they have a competition to see who can go off first, and so we never get it off on midnight. So they got firework one. Okay, we got fireworks over here. Well, there's not much you can say about the fact that Thailand still has fireworks. Oh, fun! Lots of fun. But I was going to say, you know, we could have bought a whole bunch of this stuff on the way. Oh, and light, yeah. We could have bought a whole bunch if we wanted it, you know. But everybody brings their own. But yeah, this is Thailand. This is New Year. Bring your own fireworks. How novel! It's like big kids playing. Oh good, oh good. And happy PPY New Year, okay. Happy
New Year โอเคแต่ว่าปีรออยู่แฮปปี้บีแล้วแต่ว่า
Just big kids, okay.
อ๋อ
More.
ถ่ายเอาไว้แม่เลยขอให้ไม่ถ่ายเอาไว้เลย
ถ่ายไว้ที่ตอนจุดพลุ
ตอน
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
ขอให้มีความสุข
Happy New Year. And this is how Thai people spend New Year. Camping, eating lots of food. Well, food's still going. And drinking copious amounts of alcohol. And just having a good time. Anyway, I think it's time for some sleeping. Oh, my goodness. Somehow I think that my body's not used to sleeping on the ground anymore. I think I'm going to have to make up some ideas of different mattresses for this thing. But tell you one thing I did notice is, God, the wildlife. Yeah, there is no sleeping in the open in Thailand. It's freaking loud. You can still hear them. I don't know if you can hear them in those woo-woo birds. Woo-woo. But unfortunately, like when we used to hear the woo-woo birds in Australia, they'd go all night. These ones here, what they're doing, they go for about 5 minutes and then they go into a different song. I think they're actually mating. You never know. This is Thailand after all. But yep. My poor baby. There's my baby. Anyway. Oh, I think I'm more sore now than I was when I went to bed. Well, here we are. We're all awake. We made it through the night. Talk about restless sleep, yes. The noise. But here's my baby. You ever seen her without makeup? Shania without makeup. Hey, darling. See, she's still beautiful. No makeup, still beautiful.
Yes, I know myself.
You know yourself. You're born that way.
I born that way.
You're born that way. Life in Thailand, you gotta love it. Anyway, well, I've had coffee. I'm just going to sit down and try to get a few probably another hour, just resting in the hammock chair. And yeah, I guess we've got all the other stuff we've still got to do shopping yet, and it's Thursday already. Yes. Anyway, that's Happy New Year to everybody, darling. Say Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year
สวัสดีปีใหม่
สวัสดีปีใหม่
สวัสดีปีใหม่ Anyway, I hope you enjoy our weekly video. I think this one's safe to put on the YouTube. Anyway, we're out of here. Again, thanks for our Patreons and members. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget, Patreon free. Just hit the Patreon button and just log in there, and then you know you get your emails, okay? Peace out.